Okay, so this is a foam rolling video for your low back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the 3 different positions I want your hands when you're rolling out. So your foam roller needs to be a medium density, by the way, so I can push into the roller and there's actually a bit of an indent there. If it's too hard to push, it might be a little too hard for your spine, and definitely the rumble rollers, which have the little knuckles on them, the bumpy ones, you do not want to roll your spine with those. Those are intended for your muscles in your glutes and your legs and things like that. So get yourself a smooth, medium density foam roller. Never foam roll your low back. Never foam roll your neck, because those areas in your spine are lordosis, meaning they curve the opposite way. You're going to be jamming the joints with those. The mid back, however, curves the opposite way, so this is going to open up those joints. So just from the base of your neck here, where your shirt collar kind of ends, down to where your ribs end. That's the landmark for where you want to roll. So neutral position with your hands. This is position number 1. And back and forth 10 times. So each way counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, up to 10. And more is not better. Stop at 10. The second position for your arms is up above your head. So 10 more of those. And then big, big hug. It doesn't matter which order you do these in, as long as you hit all 3. Because this is more superficial for muscle, this is deeper for joint, and this is a bit of a combination of both. Okay, so you can do that once a day. You can do that as often as twice a day as well, and just work through the mid-back, opening things up. The last one that you can focus on is if there's some certain areas that seem to be catching. You can just put your hands behind your head and just extend specifically over that. So I'm just extending my mid-back over top the foam roller, as opposed to actually rolling over it, just using it as some leverage to create some movement at a particular area of restriction.